Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play new Super Mario Bros Wii using USB Loader GX. First, ensure your Wii console is properly soft-modded. This involves installing the Homebrew channel and D2XC iOS for optimal performance. Next, prepare your USB drive by formatting it to FAT32 with a 32 kilobyte cluster size. Remember to plug your USB drive into the correct port, typically port 0, before launching any applications. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth gaming experience. Now that your Wii and USB drive are ready, let's prepare your game files. You'll need a new Super Mario Bros Wii game image, usually an ISO or WBFS file. Utilize a program such as Wii Backup Manager on your computer to transfer this game to your USB drive. Make sure to place the game file within the WBFS folder on your formatted USB device. Double-check that the game file name is correct for USB Loader GX to recognize it properly. With your game files on the USB, it's time to configure USB Loader GX. Launch the application from the Homebrew channel on your Wii console. Once inside, navigate to the Settings menu to fine-tune your game loading options. It's important to set the game partition to your USB drive so the loader can detect your games. Additionally, enabling block iOS reload can significantly improve game compatibility and prevent common issues. You're almost ready to play. In USB Loader GX, you should now see new Super Mario Bros Wii listed among your games. Simply select the game and then press the Start button or the Play icon to begin your adventure. Enjoy playing your favorite Wii games directly from your convenient USB drive. If you encounter any issues, remember to troubleshoot by carefully checking your USB Loader GX settings and verifying your game file paths.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.